Profit Force review video. Hey guys, Epic Product Reviews here, back today with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you Profit Force. So why don't we quite literally jump into it. So you've jumped into the Profit Force members area and Profit Force, right? So it's a product that is a course, and it will teach you how to get results from making YouTube videos. So first of all, you have logged in to the Profit Force members area, right? So at the top you can see there's the Profit Force logo and a nice backdrop. Actually, it kind of contrasts if you ask me. But at the top you see dashboard, so we're on the dashboard, and there's the Facebook group that you can go on to and you can log out of your account. Also, if we go down below here, we can then see the training. So what's very handy is you can search through the course. So you can say Aweber marketing, email marketing, because that's an email auto response. It's an email auto response, and it's here. Aweber account creation, right? So that's that. So I will be going through and showing you step by step about Profit Force, right? So you start here and you get the welcome video by Newman, the main producer of the product. But as you go below, you will see welcome from the co-producers Cynthia and Terry. Okay, so just pointing that out. And also you can sign up for the advanced training call, claim your bonuses, and subscribe to John's YouTube and subscribe to their YouTube as well. So if we go up, you can look at the training, right? So there's an overview, quick website setup. You can start a YouTube, create your Aweber account, which I said above is an email marketing software. Find a product to promote, and you just go through it in detail. So once you're here, you just click on the video, and it will load up the video for you, and you play it, right? And you watch the video, then you just go, next video, watch, and apply. You must apply if you want to see the results. You can't just go, okay, so I gotta do this, right? And then don't do it, because that does not how it works. It's not like it will fall from the sky for you. You must apply, follow step by step. Otherwise, it won't piece together properly. Case studies and results. This is how you will see, you will do some case studies and you will see results. Conclusion and next steps. So you'll get next steps to do. And this is a quick video, 1 minute. Some of them, that's a YouTube link. Some of them are longer, like I believe this one is longer. Yep, 13 minutes. So some of them are short, some of them are long, but you must put commitment into this. It's not like a hobby. You gotta focus on it. It can be a hobby. You do have a main focus, but you need to focus on this. Otherwise, you will not see results. You need to check on it a lot. As you can see, I can upload consistently. At the start, I didn't do it because I didn't know it that well, but I am starting to upload consistently now for you guys, so you guys can have, reviews on products. But honestly, I recommend you do try focus on this. And while we're at it, speaking of YouTube, why don't we go to my channel and go ahead, like, subscribe, and if you can, head to a product, and you will see the link to buy. Anyway, going back to the main task, you will see John Newman has dropped some bonus resources, and you can upgrade your course to get higher levels. so you can, well, learn more. You also got a free books. You can ditch your old website. This is linked to the course, so you will find out what it's linked to in the course. You can learn about traffic for free, and an exclusive training course. So I'll leave it to you. You buy from my link, and if you're interested, then you will click on the link and see. But I will show you one of them. Traffic Secrets. So it's a book. Should be a book. Yep. You can order it, and yep. So you order it, and you get it. You read through it. It's a handy book. Handy tips. Okay. So that's Profit Force rounded up. It is a course that can generate results from YouTube. Yep, so hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching this review on Profit Force, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Epic Product Reviews, signing out.